Now I suppose I should have a go at the latest volume of questions, and the adhan will thankfully interrupt this. All right. If your parents insist on you eating more and become angry when you don't, because you know that if you do you will be overeating, what is one to do? I encounter this problem every day at home. It's been the cause of great conflict at times. Well, then the obligation of obeying your parents comes first. And you say, Alhamdulillah, this particular form of wara' is not applicable in my case. But there are ways of appearing to eat a lot, but in fact just eating slowly. It's just a question of... And you see the shuyukh doing this. The shuyukh superficially seem to be eating with gusto. If you actually look at the sheikh's plate without averting your eyes during the half hour or so of the meal, you'll see that he actually doesn't eat very much. Somehow it disappears, but what's been put on his plate, even though he's loading everybody else's plate with food, is very little.